List loop presented by Anuja R. APCAC, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. A loop is to access all the element in a list. Here we can create a list. A is equal to apple, mango, lime and orange. Then print A, display all at a time. So now the output is apple, mango, lime and orange. Then print A of 0 is apple. So print A of 0 means in a list in 0th index location which element is available. In index location 0, the elements are available in apple. So output is apple. Then for variable in A, print of A. Here also display all at a time. Now the output is apple, mango, lime and orange. So here the loop goes on 4 times and print all the values. Then for variable in A, print variable. So here also display item at a time. The output is the following loop goes on 4 times and print item one by one. Now the output is apple, mango, lime and orange. Then I is equal to 0 for variable in A. Print I like A of I. Then I is equal to I plus 1. Here the value of I makes the loop to goes on 4 times and print item 1 by 1. Now the output is apple, mango, lime and orange. Then we can write a Python program to print the item in a list using while loop. Here also we can create a list. A is equal to apple, mango, lime, orange. I is equal to 0 while length of A greater than I. Print I like A of I. I is equal to I plus 1. Now the output is the value of I makes the loops goes on 4 times and print item 1 by 1. Then the output is apple, mango, lime and orange. Here the loops are an incredibly useful tool that are used to perform repetitive process with Python because we always start with a for loop. So here the syntax for loop is for like in for some variable in some list. So this technique is also known as a for loop. These are the structural part of a for loop, that is A of list is equal to the list of item 1, 3 and 5. Then we are applying the syntax for value in a list. Here value is iteration variable, list is a iterable variable. Then print that value. Print value of minus 1 means the body of the loop. Now the output is 1, 0, 3, 2, 5 and 4. The for loop will be executed repeatedly. Then the intended code in the body gets executed the same number of times as element in the iterable value. If the iterable variable is a list that has 3 elements, the intended code in the body gets executed 3 times. Then we call each code execution an iteration. So there will be 3 iterations for the list that has 3 elements. For each iteration, the iteration variable will take a different value following this pattern. That is, for the first iteration, the value is the first element of the iterable. For the second iteration, the value is the second element of the iterable. And the third iteration, the value is the third element of the iterable. Then array of list is equal to 1, 3, 5. Then we are applying the for loop for value in A of list. Then print that value. So in third iteration, the value is presented at 5. Now the output is 1 and 3. Then list are mutable. So unlike string, list is mutable or changeable, which means we can change the elements at any point. So the example of list mutable is A is equal to apple, mango, lime and orange. A of 0 is equal to gray. In a original list, in 0th location, the element is presented at apple. Now print A, the output